Wagwan J Squad, it's your boy J and welcome back to the channel. If you're new to the channel, thanks for stopping by, and if you're already a subscriber, welcome back. Well, guess what? We're going to be doing something very nice for you guys today. We are going to be boiling some corn, Jamaican style. Yeah man, so we've already had a few things. We're already going to the store and we'll buy up a couple of things that we're going to put in it. When we get there, you guys will see what we are up to. So yeah guys, yeah man, you know the fire is already up and running. One of the first things you have to do guys is make sure that you clean out all the hair out of the corn. Yeah man, Jamaican style we are doing anything done. So going through the process of cleaning out the hair out of the corn before we actually add the rest of the other ingredients inside this pot. Alright, so guys, on the table we already have some Grace soup mix. Yeah man, you know we have to make sure so the cock soup there in the thing, and also we have some chicken seasoning. You know, everything that we're going to be adding is for flavor. We want to make sure so we have natural seasons as well. So we have a scallion and we also have thyme, and for color we're also going to be adding some pumpkin, and we can't do nothing without the good old Scotch bonnet pepper. So guys, bear with us. We're gonna put all this together and allow everything to fall in love. So what we're gonna do now guys is we're going to be making sure that we cut our pumpkin into smaller pieces. Yeah man, we have to dice it up and nice it up, don't it? We are using the pumpkin now to catch color, right? So we don't have to do it no fancy way guys. We're just chopping it up nicely because most of this is going to be boiled out in the water anyway. Alright guys, so I'm gonna clean up the scallion now and I'm gonna add the scallion to the pot. Yeah man, first thing going into the pot is my scallion. We're talking about flavor, don't it? Every Jamaicans know what I'm talking about. Alright, so we've gone ahead and we already diced up the pumpkins now. So guess what now? We're gonna add the pumpkins to the pot. So we add it to water first to wash it off before we put it to our main batch of food that we're going to be preparing. Alright guys, remember, if you like what you see so far guys, also go ahead, like, subscribe and comment. Yeah man, we want to know what you think down in the comment section. Alright, so we're going to go ahead now guys and we're going to be adding the chicken all-purpose flavoring. So luckily we have 2 sachets, so we're going to add both and allow everything to just fall in some thyme. Yeah man, we're going to be adding some thyme as well. Remember now we're telling you that it's all about flavor today, so we're going to be adding some thyme to the mix as well. Alright guys, so now we have the spoon stirring up everything, allowing everything to, you know, just come together nicely, don't it? I don't want to see the seam off it man. Yes, real Jamaican style, don't? This is what we are all about. Guys, trust me, if you can smell this, trust me, you would want to be here right now. So yeah guys, so washing off the corn because we're gonna now add all of these pieces of corn to the pot. Now guys, if you know what this is, you know so this is nothing to play around with. Real Scotch bonnet pepper. And just for this one we're going to be adding 2. But guess what guys, we're going to be very careful not to burst it, because if we ever burst them here this evening in this kind of trouble. But we're going to add them to the water for good measure, and we're going to gently stir the mixture together and leave all of that to fall in love. Guys, so if you're enjoying the video so far, remember, drop us a like on the video, remember to subscribe, and also drop us a comment man. Trust me, it really helps the channel. Alright guys, so the next time you see us, we're gonna be ready to serve, so everybody's gonna get their share, even you in YouTube land. Alright guys, look at the view guys. Trust me, I tell you all the time, Jamaica is such a beautiful place, don't it? And I'm sure you're hearing goats in the background as well guys. Yeah man. So you know, it's just a wonderful evening, spending some time with family, just hanging out, having a great time, yeah man. Boiling some corn and We're just enjoying the beautiful aesthetics that surrounds our home, one of our family homes. Yeah, man. So I'm grateful that you guys are taking the time out to really spend some time with me and enjoying this video. Let me give you guys a panoramic shot so you guys can see all the greenery. Yeah, man. And I'm sure also you get a chance to view the ocean in the overshot.
Yeah, that's the sea.
That's the sea?
Yeah.
Awesome.
That's like Turkey though. But I can't see when we're going to see.
Alright guys, so this is the finished product guys. We told you. Corn. I'll make sure it's nice. Guys, if you could only experience the flavor of this guys, believe me, you'd be excited about it. So join us on the next one. And as we always say on this channel, Jay says, and we are...
Arcadia.